Welcome to MacGyver's Workshop, where you never know what we're going to be working on next. If you're not too careful, you just might learn something. Hi there. Welcome back to another episode of MacGyver's Workshop, where you never know what we're going to be working on next, and if you're not too careful, you just might learn something. So, this is going to be part 2 of our fuel tank video on the 1997 Ford F250 Power Stroke here. So let's get back to it. Okay, now I'm going to use my flashlight to help us out here, but as you can see, there's a lot of trash down in the tank there that we looked at before, and that's part of the screen that's all busted off in there, and then there's a bunch of it down there at the other end of the tank, and we're going to have to go in after it. So I'll show you here how we're fixing to do that. How I'm planning to go into that is, I mean, I could turn the tank over and shake it out and spray it out and all this kind of good stuff, but fortunately most of this stuff's in big enough pieces to where I can use this to go in after it. I like to call this my pushy pulley lifty thingy, and basically it's a flexible thing with fingers on it that you can control from this end here, and I can reach in there and grab that stuff and get it all out. So let's get at it. So there's what's left of the screen. There ain't nothing but a bunch of bits left in the tank itself. I got everything all gathered over into one spot. I will use my little air vacuum here and try and suck them up out of the tank. All right, now basically what we've got here is this, which goes on the end of this, like so, and you can see how much distance there is between that and the bottom of the tank. So this thing would be running out of fuel at about a quarter tank. Yeah, and we'll put our little dammit back here on the there, like so. And then we'll drop our little dammit back down in the tank here. Okay, now we'll finish tapping our little retaining ring on down here. So your little tab hits and stops, and this tank's ready to go back in. All right, so now we got our tank back here on the jack. We're going to jack it on up in there about 3/4 of the way, and we'll hook our lines back up, hook our electrical back up, hook our filler neck back up, and then we can tie our straps and that'll be done. Now this front strap here we'll have to work around a little bit, but that's easy enough. Just get the tank on up past it. Hey, take her up a few more clicks. And just push our line on in here until we hear the click. And then we put our safeties back on. Remember, we have to leave the tank down a little bit so we can hook our electrical and our vent line back up. Push the electrical in so you hear a click. And we just put our vent line back up in that little retainer that holds it up there. Then we'll take it up a few more notches till we get our filler neck line in here. Now I got to set the truck down a little bit, and now all I got to do is tighten this filler neck line here. Now set her back up in there, line everything back up. Get our bolts in here. Now we'll run our bolts back up in here. There. And that nightmare is done. Now we get to do it to the back tank. Well, thanks for watching on that. The back tank's not going to be any different than the front one was, except it's square and that one's rectangle. So no point in making you watch that. So stay tuned for whatever comes next, and please subscribe. Hit the little bell icon for you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. And of course, feel free to comment. Like to hear them all, good, bad, and different otherwise. And also, you can always email me at MacGyversWorkshop@gmail.com. See ya.